Crash course on Sweden, local customs, city guides, hidden gem, and travel itineraries. Sweden, known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, is a Scandinavian gem that offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. From the picturesque countryside to its bustling cities, Sweden has something to offer every visitor. Let's explore the local customs, city guides, hidden gems, and travel itineraries that will make your trip to Sweden unforgettable. Local customs and etiquette. Swedes are known for their friendly and reserved nature. They value personal space and may seem reserved at first, but once you get to know them, they are warm and welcoming. It's customary to greet with a firm handshake, maintain eye contact, and use du, informal, or ni, formal, when addressing someone. Tipping is not obligatory, as service charges are usually included in the bill. Must-visit cities and hidden gems. Stockholm, the capital city, is a must-visit with its beautiful archipelago, historic old town, and cultural attractions. Gothenburg offers a charming mix of canals, parks, and a lively food scene. Malmö boasts a vibrant multicultural vibe and impressive modern architecture. For hidden gems, explore Visby's medieval charm on the island of Gotland or Kirunä's Arctic wilderness in Swedish Lapland. Travel tips and recommendations. For a unique experience, try fika, a Swedish tradition of coffee and pastries, and indulge in traditional dishes like meatballs, herring, and cinnamon buns. Sweden is renowned for its efficient public transport system, so consider getting a travel pass to explore the cities. Don't miss out on exploring the stunning national parks and taking part in outdoor adventures like hiking, skiing, or kayaking. Day trips and excursions. From Stockholm, take a day trip to the historic town of Uppsala or the picturesque Sigtuna, Sweden's first town. In Gothenburg, visit the picturesque fishing village of Marstrand or the serene island of Vrango. For adventure seekers, head to Abisko National Park for northern lights or venture to the Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. Top 12 attractions in Sweden. 1. Stockholm's Gamla stan, Old Town. 2. The Vasa Museum in Stockholm. 3. Gothenburg's Liseberg Amusement Park. 4. The Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. 5. The Viking Ship Museum in Stockholm. 6. Drottningholm Palace and Court Theatre. 7. Visby's medieval city wall. 8. Abisko National Park. 9. Malmö's Turning Torso. 10. Skansen Open Air Museum in Stockholm. 11. Langholmen Prison Museum in Stockholm. 12. The Göta Canal. Summarize. Sweden, a captivating Scandinavian country, welcomes travelers with its friendly customs and diverse attractions. From the beautiful cities like Stockholm and Gothenburg to hidden gems like Visby and Kiruna, Sweden offers an array of experiences. Embrace the local culture, savor traditional dishes, and explore the stunning natural landscapes for an unforgettable adventure. Poem. In Sweden's land, where beauty dwells. From northern lights to coastal swells. A culture rich, traditions grand. A friendly nod, a welcoming hand. Stockholm's old town, a sight to see. With Vasa's ship in history. In Gothenburg, the park's delight. Liseberg's thrills, the city bright. In icy north, the Ice Hotel stands. A frozen dream in Arctic lands. And Visby's walls, a medieval tale. Whispers of history in the breeze's sail. Abisko's skies with lights aglow. A dance of colors, a mystical show. In Malmö's heart, the turning torso. Modern charm in a city's glow. From ancient customs to modern art. Sweden's treasures fill every heart. A journey rich, a dream come true. In Sweden's land, there's magic too. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.